Want to play life like a grandmaster plays chess? Stop being nice, start being smart. Here are 5 Machiavellian rules to dominate any room you walk into. These aren't just tips, they're weapons. Rule number 1, never show all your cards. The moment they think they've figured you out, you've already lost. Stay unpredictable, stay unreadable. Let people guess your next move and they'll never see the checkmate coming. Rule 2, use charm as a weapon. Smile, compliment, listen. But don't forget, it's all strategy. A disarmed enemy is easier to conquer. Be the wolf in silk clothing. Rule 3, control the narrative. Whoever controls the story controls the power. Speak last, but speak with certainty. Let your version of the truth echo louder than facts. Rule 4, keep friends close, but rivals closer. Your enemies will expose more by standing next to you than behind your back. Study them, smile with them, and know exactly when to strike. Rule 5, power respects power. Never beg, never chase. If you want influence, act like you already have it. People follow those who lead without asking for permission. Master these rules, and you won't just survive the game, you'll own the board. Play smart, or be played. Follow for more real-world power hacks.